Hey guys, it's Bird from Inside Outline and welcome back to another Cricut video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about, do you actually need Cricut Design Space? So before I get into this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Okay, so for my Cricut newbies, I know you want to know, do I need Cricut Design Space? The answer to that question is yes, you absolutely need Cricut Design Space in order to use your Cricut machine. Okay, so the next question is, what is Cricut Design Space? Cricut Design Space is the software that communicates with your Cricut machine, okay? So you absolutely need Cricut Design Space in order to use your Cricut machine. So what does Cricut Design Space do? It's a software that you use to kind of put your designs together, and then your Cricut machine is going to communicate with Cricut Design Space, and that's how it's going to know what to do. Okay, so there are already some SVG files and designs already in Cricut Design Space, but you can bring your own, and that is a great segue into Cricut Access. So what is Cricut Access? So for my people that are Cricut newbies, when you first got your Cricut machine, I'm pretty sure you got bombarded by emails and pop-ups in Cricut Design Space talking about Cricut Access. So Cricut Access is a monthly subscription plan. I think they also have a yearly subscription plan as well, but basically it allows you to pay a certain fee and you get access to certain designs that are already in Cricut Design Space. You also get access to certain projects, you get access to certain fonts and certain other features in Cricut Design Space. But the main question is Cricut Access a requirement? Do I absolutely need it? Cricut Access is not a requirement, so you do not need to subscribe to Cricut Access in order to use Cricut Design Space. But if you want to subscribe just to check out and see, what all you have access to, I always recommend at least trying it out for a month or two. See how you like it. If you don't like it, you can always unsubscribe, okay? I will say too, I know a lot of my Cricut people, y'all are out there, y'all are paying that $9.99 per month, and you're not even making any Cricut projects, okay? You're just letting your money go to waste. Pull out that Cricut machine, start making projects, or either just unsubscribe from Cricut Access, because you can always resubscribe to Cricut Access, okay? So save your $9.99 per month in that subscription, or if you have that subscription, you don't want to end it, go ahead and start using your Cricut machine. Okay, so again, you do not need to use or subscribe to Cricut Access in order to use Cricut Design Space. If you want to, there are many projects, many images, fonts, and things like that available for my people that do subscribe. Now, if you're someone who says, I don't want to subscribe to Cricut Access, where else can I find SVG files and projects like that? I have something for you. So Etsy is one of those places where you can go and search for like SVG files for Cricut machines. You're going to find a whole bunch of SVG files that people are using to or basically selling to Cricut users. Other cutting machines can use them as well, like the Silhouette machine too. So Etsy is one of those places that you can go to find SVG files for your Cricut machine, for Cricut projects that you want to create. Another place that you can go is Canva. So a lot of people, especially my Cricut newbies, you may not know that you can use Canva to create SVG files, create picture files, bring them into Cricut Design Space and use them for your Cricut projects. Another place that I absolutely love is Creative Fabrica. So with Creative Fabrica, you do pay $47 per year, and you get access to SVG files, different types of projects. You also get access to picture files as well, which I absolutely love. So all of my people that do sublimation, those type of projects, with that $47 that you're paying per year, you get access to a broad number of like sublimation files and so many other files. I know I love to make cake toppers, so I love going on Creative Fabrica and finding cake toppers, and I basically just download the SVG file, upload it to Cricut Design Space, and now I'm making cake toppers. Okay, so Creative Fabrica is one of those places that I absolutely love. Again, it's just $47 per year. Another place that you can find free SVG files or free SVG files is in free resource libraries. Okay, so I do have my own free resource library. Every month I'm uploading SVG files that you all can use for free. You don't have to pay anything. They are free for personal use. and commercial use, so you don't have to worry again about paying for anything. You don't have to worry about a limited number of uses or anything like that. So I'll have a link down below for my free resource library. A lot of Cricut crafters or Cricut bloggers, they have free resource libraries. So definitely recommend that you sign up to different blogs, get some of those files, engage with the content of those creators as well. So long story short, do you need Cricut Design Space? Yes, you do absolutely need to use Cricut Design Space. You do not have to subscribe to Cricut Access. That is absolutely optional. And then if you're looking for those SVG files, design files, project files, you can find them in a variety of places. I'm going to have some links down below for you all. But for my Cricut beginners, for my people that, you've maybe had your Cricut machine for a while, you haven't used it that much, this video is for you too, because again, you do need to use Cricut Design Space, but you do not have to subscribe to Cricut Access. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Let me know. Do you subscribe to Cricut Access? Do you think it's worth the cost? Do you subscribe to Cricut or Creative Fabrica? Let me know down below. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.